So here we got this Comfort Zone 9-inch box fan that I bought for $15 on sale. I think it's only 20, which is a bit much, but still, I bought it. And I'm gonna unbox it today. We're gonna see how well it works. I also bought something else that should be coming. It's a Lasko 3733. I don't know if it's a 3733 or whatever the other one is. They look exactly the same, but apparently they're a little bit different. I don't know which one exactly it is, but we'll find out when it comes. But here's the Comfort Zone. I need the scissors again still. There we go. Here it is. See, it's this Comfort Zone box fan. The camera's a little bit crooked. See, that's better. Yep. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Not work. That's bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a lot smaller. Just paperwork. Whoops. The fan. It's a nice looking little fan, I think. So the cords, we'll plug it in and test it out. Shake that off. Let's scoot in front of the camera. Put it up here. And we'll start it off on low. That is not powerful at all. That is very sad. Low does not do anything. That's blowing nothing. I'll try medium then. It's blowing something, slightly something. That's. Maybe the bearings are just a little stiff. First time being used. We'll try high. It puts off some okay amount of air on high. Let's do back in front of this camera. Let's see if there's anything in here about the. I'll let it run for a little bit, obviously, and see if it loosens up. Yes, I think it's loosening up some. overall, I really do not like this fan. Very, not a horrible buy in my opinion. I guess if you're putting it in front of a window or something along the lines of that, by all means go ahead and buy it, but this thing does not blow any air. It'll $15, probably worst buy I've ever bought. See if I can find something like a piece of paper towel to show you the wind flow. And I pick a piece of paper towel, put it on low. Yeah, those bearings are definitely not oiled well. I can already hear the bearings. Probably a better thing would be something like this. It will blow it, but I'm just going to kick it behind and see if that does anything. Those bearings are going to be horrible. Let's see if I oiled this thing and it worked about 45 times better. Okay. That'll be it for this. Definitely not a good fan, but I'll be using it.